What's up, guys? It's been a hot minute, and especially a hot minute because, apparently there's, like, some sort of volcano update? I don't know. Probably a little bit late on this, but, like, whatever. So, it's been a while, like, a long while. The weather is usually cool. Being up an active volcano. Active volcano?! Okay, hold on. Let's go check out the cosmetics. Okay. Hold up. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What is this tomfoolery? Huh? What is this? Alright, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Ah! My game just lagged. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! What is this? What is this? I'm like, is it like an asteroid? I don't know. I'm very confused. Super scientist. Cool hat. I need this in my life. Oh my gosh. Yes, free badge. I need this, need this, need this, and this. Actually, I don't know what those are. Ah, it's a ring. I don't want it. I don't know what that is. A pepper. A hot lava rock or something. Is that Thor's hammer? Wait a minute. Is that Thor's hammer? Got this. Let's go ahead and grab this shirt. I want the cool cap. Yeah. Alright, hold up. This too. Oh. Almost at 1,300, so we're almost rich. Yes! I'm gonna start wearing it. You see me wearing that a lot. Moving lava. That's cool, bro. Dude, girl tag is crazy. Oh! I can drink lava. Ow, my mouth. My flippin' mouth. It burns, my guy. I need this in my life. Can I fly? Am I going higher? I don't know, but I wish I was, because that would be so cool. What's this? What's... It's like, is it like a shell or something? You know, like how if you, like, grab a shell that's by the ocean and put it up to your ear, you know, you can hear the waves. Yeah, I don't know what the heck that is. Ooh, cool cap. I want that. Ooh, button. Dang it. Wait, does it work like Thor's hammer? Oh, my goodness. Can I put something, like, in there to make it explode? Yeah! I'm like one of those kids that, like, loves volcanoes and stuff. Oh, that's so cool. I don't know why, but I love it. This. Oh, what the heck? The heck? What's that? What's like meteors? Okay, the rest of it, I don't really want to check out. Let's go ahead and buy that badge. Yes, I need it. Oh, glorious. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I see this so bad. Oh my goodness. What is this? Wait, no, it's gonna light the forest on fire. Wait. Throwable rocks. Wait, guys. Okay, so it's like bits of gravel and stuff. Yeah, that's cool. My goodness. I want it to explode. Or, like, fill up the forest. Ugh. What the heck? Okay. Okie dokie. So let's go check out beach. I wanna go see this. I also wanna look at all the maps. What the heck? Tainted water? What the flip? What? Ah! Ah! Get this off me! What am I? What is this? What? What? Yo! Wait, no. No, what is that? Get it off me! Get this off me! Why do I look like that? Help me! Why am I blue and pink? Oh my goodness. If you guys have already seen this update, like, what? You're gonna have to explain that to me. Is there anything, like, in here, or is it just forest? Okay, hold on. We gotta check out this water. Yo! What? What? If I put on the mermaid tail, then I'll look like an actual sea creature. Oh, so it's like a new thing for the water. Oh my gosh. So cool. Wait, no? No? Huh? Wait a minute. No. So, guys, look at this. Wait. If that was just my badge that was, like, adding the little bit of pink, I'm gonna feel so stupid. But what the heck? Yas. Y'all, this is the heck. Flip. See? Why am I blue? Why in the world? Pink water. Excuse me. What? Excusez-moi. Huh? Why does the water... Okay, we're gonna go check out canyons. What in the world? Also, this is volcano update is so random. You know what, we're gonna need to check caves. But, like, what? That would be so cool if they put one in here, too. Ow. I just hit myself. Oh, jeez. Jeez Louise. Don't ask. I have weird sayings in my family or something. I don't know. Alright, so it's just forest and city, because city has new cosmetics. Sadly, I did not get anything from city in the last update. But one more place. Wow. We need to check. Whoa, this water looks different. Like, hecka different. Oh, jeez. Jeez Louise. Nothing new, really. So, I mean, alright. I'll be recording a video soon. Another one. And, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for being loyal subscribers. And, let's see if we can hit 20. I will try my best not to disappear like that again. 'Cause that was mean of me. What? You guys are seeing that too, right? It's slightly blue, right? I'm not going crazy. I know it. I don't know, guys. I don't know. If you can make sense of anything, please do. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.